Airbnb in Hanoi. It's a small, cute little room. Our junk is all over the place. So this is the bed I just got out of. Today we woke up super late because we got in kind of late last night. And I am loving this outdoor space right here. I know it doesn't look like much, but I really enjoy this kind of place because you get to kind of live like a local. And here outside are our neighbors. Okay, all that traffic. So this is how they live in Vietnam, Hanoi. What are we doing today? Right now?
We're on a hot date, breakfast date at Look Like Coffee and Drinks.
Trying coconut with coffee in Hanoi. This is absolutely my new favorite type of coffee. This is my meal. Look at all the herbs on it. It's so good, guys.
And then just only like a short tea moment like this, but we can sit down together, share a lot of stories together, and we are like from very different areas in this world, but we can sit together just by a tea set and just a teapot like this. Since we born until we die, then we are influenced with the tea.
Ngay từ bé thì những em bé Việt Nam sinh ra thì đã đều được tắm trong lá của cây trà.
Like the infant, the Vietnamese infant, when they are born, they will be bathed by the fresh tea leaves. And people will pick up the leaves and boil with water and use the liquid to bath the baby.
Là lúc đó nó tiến hành nó chống hình á thì chúng tôi thay đổi lấy cái do kia chúng tôi chuyển cái tiến nó thì cái nó chúng tôi tụi mình phải để thở nó thế chỉ bao giờ để chuyển để chuyển ra tao nói rằng ok nó okay, which is a great thing. Where are you from? Japan. Oh. First time. What time? First time. It's my dish right here. Going to a coffee shop. It's an adventure. On the way to our cruise ship, we stopped for a quick meal, and what we have it? Pho. Hi, we're minutes away before we board our cruise, so I'm excited. We'll see how it looks like because we booked one of the best rooms on the cruise. There's only 2 of those rooms and we got one of them, so I have really high expectations. So let's see.
Safety first.
Safety first. Ooh.
Please.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for all of you to choosing and coming with a cruise to this Halong Bay and Hanoi today.
Come in, come in. Look over here. Look, so beautiful. Window. Whoa. And this is our bed.
Chicken soup. Yeah.
Time to eat sea bass. It's actually kind of chilly.
That's good.
I mean, you love this kind of weather.
I don't miss chicken at all.
It's this awesome guy in the background. Who is this guy? Oh, wait, it's my husband. Oh, it's my husband. Aw.
Beautiful.
Just so beautiful. Everything's so open and beautiful. And then the restroom is open also. Just beautiful. Can't get enough of this view. Sue in a cave looking out onto the beautiful bay. This is dinner on the cruise ship, on the Era cruise. Dessert, some kind of sweetened soup. Banana blossom salad, coral cake, lotus root salad, pineapple salad with different dipping sauce, salad sauce. So there's a Thailand sauce right here. Barbecue prawns, barbecue clam, squid cake, curry rice, curry, chicken curry, vegetables,
Again. Okay. Yes.
Rau gì em mẹ? meet you, lady.
Thank
Happy to
you.
And I put this one for you. Congratulations.
Oh wow, that's a lot of cake.
Yeah.
Can you share with everybody?
All right, when you finish the show tonight, I will say the owner customer stay.
Okay.
Let me take a picture of you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tourism for two couple. Yeah, thank you because you are choosing our cruise for your honeymoon.
Last week in Chiang Mai, Thailand, you got married over there.
Good morning. So now we are having breakfast. I will show you what's for breakfast. We have some, I think these are yogurts, some pastries, some fruits, toast, juice, apple juice, and watermelon juice. Ooh. Cereal for those who like their cereal in the morning. I can't even say that word, cereal. Some salad, baked beans. There's dumplings here. There's dim sum and dumplings. Let me see. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Looks yummy. Perfect for morning. And this is some fried rice. These are hash browns. These are stir-fried noodle with vegetables. Bacon, ham, and some sausages. And lastly, some stir-fried vegetables. And the best, the highlight of it all is pho in the morning. So here's the condiments here. Oh, this is condiments for scrambled eggs, pho broth. The meat is already well prepared. All right, that's breakfast for us this morning. Some chili in there.
Oh, does it go around here? You want to turn back around?
This is the banh mi that our Airbnb host recommended. Now he's getting his haircut on the TV. This is the first time I am trying the egg coffee. So there's an egg whipped in here somewhere. It's foamy. It looks yummy, but I'm not sure how I'll like it. Let's give it a try. The top is really, really sweet. Let me stir it just in case. Okay? Whoa, it's super creamy. I don't think there's no liquid. It's just raw bone. all foam. There's no liquid at all. It means to be sturdy in case all the sweet is at the bottom. It's pretty good. I would say yes, I can still taste the egg in it, but it's a good experience. Not my favorite. I think I still like the coconut coffee. Still kind of eggy. This alley take us to?
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh, look at that. Food cocktail.
Do you take the saw as well?
Heck yeah. I don't speak that.
Like, you never seen this in the States? Like, sometimes?
Rooting for the green lady because everybody's been getting Tiger Beer and Budweiser. This is our sleep pod. It's so tiny and cute.
Tiny
This
home.
is like a tiny home without a kitchen. There's the stairs, a little bed, a little air conditioning, and she said there's passwords and Wi-Fi, but everything else we're just like, yeah, we're just chilling in here. There's really nothing else.
Simple.
That's what we're sleeping in the airport. Pretty cool.